one of my favorite sayings is that when life closes a door, open it again. It's a door. That's how they work. When you get a brand new job, your first intention isn't, oh, I'm going to be quitting tomorrow. No, you are looking for a job that can be highly engaged in, one that you have high job satisfaction. And likewise, employers are looking for workers who are engaged, who help bring up the atmosphere of the job force, who help reduce absenteeism and increase retention. I am known as the Resiliency Lady, and I love working with teams, teachers, and corporations to help them have job satisfaction, to help them fall in love with the reason they even applied for that job to begin with, to love what they do, where they work, who they work with, and that brings up morale all around the company. I love working with teams that are willing to let down their hair, maybe be a little silly, and think outside the box so we can have fun but problem solve at the same time, help creating unity at their workplace. One of the keys to increasing morale and for burnout prevention is doing what I call the marigold principle. This means finding a mentor in your company or your organization that helps lift you up, not one that complains about the job and is always watching the clock. Instead, marigolds are the ones that remind you of why you got that job in the first place. It generally isn't because of the money. It's because of the people you work with, the job satisfaction, the customers or students that you serve, and all the payback you receive by the connections and relationships you build within that company. Overall, we focus on 1, burnout prevention, 2, better engagement, and 3, increased job satisfaction so you can have happy and productive employees.